In this video, I want to talk about a tool with the help of you can build the workflow database automation. Whether it's your project management, team management, you want to create the content for your social media, you want to send out the emails to your team members or the new users who are onboarding, you want to send the cold outreaching, or even you want to send the bulk emails. This AI tool is going to help you with lot of the databases handling and the automation there. So first of all, let me talk about the templates this platform is offering. Now after that, I will talk about all the features covering in this video. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and without wasting any more time, let me get started. So this is the platform I'm talking about, and you can read out automate your work with the business AI agents. So these are the templates as the apps created using the platform that you can copy with a single click or install in your space with the single click. So we have some filters available, whether you want to create for the automations, you want to do it for the technology, project management, operations. We have also the finance or the daily life. You can select here, or whether you can just simply scroll to check out all these automations app we have available. So let me give you some of the example whether we want to do it for the automation. So simply click here on the automations, and now it will show me all the automation apps available. So let me open this one that is going to send out the notifications to the Telegram groups, channels, or the private chats, ensure team members complete tasks on time. Okay, so basically it is going to send out the notifications or the update to the channel or the team members here on using Telegram. Same goes for the others, like we have the sending bulk messages as the emails. We are the rotating duties for the team members. We want to do to create the tweet automatically for the X platform. Okay, so we have to simply click here on the install, and this app will be installed in our space here. Okay, so let me talk about this platform. So this is the Bika.AI right now, recently listed on the app. So starting from just $69 one-time payment. And when I check this platform here, first of all, let me go to the templates. It has more than 50 plus templates available and numerous of the triggers available here. Okay, so you have to simply go to the templates and select any of the template here, or whether you are having the complexes, which kind of the template will be the suitable for you. So what you can do, just ask this AI. For example, I want to create a template for sending the cold outreaching emails with a follow-up. So what I will do here, I will simply paste my my query here, like I want to create cold outreach emails and send to new leads. Okay, so simply I have given what I want. Okay, so click here on the create apps with the AI. Now what it is going to do, it is going to find out the suitable template or the automation for you using its references here. References means the templates already built on this platform, and after that it's going to give you. Okay, so although I asked here, but I am not getting any answers. Let me again. So I have already created a prompt here. Let me click to send again, and let's see. Yeah, you can see it has just references. So these are all the references as the template I have already showed you, and based on these templates analyzing, it is going to give me what is the best one. So you can see according to your demand, I think the name workflow can be the 14 days automated cold outreach campaign. This template designed for the cold outreach to influencers, peers, and the potential partners. Okay, so based on the references, it is suggesting me that this template is the suitable for me. So simply I will click here, and now I will install in my space and using it. Okay, so that is the what you are going to get in this platform as well, and it has also dark mode and the light mode as well available. So if I get back to its lifetime deal and scroll down below, you can read out automate workflow across sales, marketing, project management, and the operations without coding a thing. Get 50 plus triggers and actions to build seamless workflow automations. Yes, it has more than 50 plus triggers available. I have already seen that. You can see if I open the here the automation. Let me open the automation here. This is the automation flow. You can see this is the fully automation. It is going to show you the things it is going to happen in this automation here. Okay, I hope you are getting. So let me minimize a little bit, and now you can see so many complicated things it is happening in this automation here, and every day it is going to send out the email like after 1 day, 2 days, 3 days till the 14 days. So I can customize the days here. That is the not big problem. Okay, so let's back to our deal page here and go to the plans and features and see how many the automations we are getting per month or the seats for the clients or the team members. Okay, so in the tier 1 plan starting from the $69, we got the lifetime access, we have the 5 seats, then we have the automations runs per month up to 10,000, records per database 50,000, total storage 20 GB, and API request is the 50,000. That is sufficient for the beginners here. Okay, so if you want more automations run like the here 30,000 or the 60,000, you have to go with the higher plan. So based on the whichever the suitable plan for you, you can select here. Okay, so if you want to check it out, the lifetime deal, the link would be given in the description, and there's also the free bonuses I am giving out. Make sure you also check them out. So this is the dashboard you are going to log in, and again this is the same thing. You have to enter which kind of the automation you want to build here. For example, I am just pasting the again same thing, then I want to create a cold outreach automation. So I have just entered here, and based on that you can see I got these resources, so I can use any of these one. Okay, so simply let's click here on the, this is the 14 days automation cold outreach. Now after that I have to install it. Okay, so I have already installed, that why it is just opening up right up here, but if you haven't installed, you have to install that one. Okay, so after that we have to configure the things. So I'm just going to give you the just introductory overview, all the stuffs you are going to find in the dashboard here, because the configuring part based on the separate way, because my needs is different, your needs is different. Suppose I want to do something like the 2 days cold outreaching with the my main email message and one follow-up message. Okay, but if you have the something else in your plan, in your mind, so you can plan something else here. Okay, so you can see this is the day 1, and let's click on the add trigger. So we have the more than sufficient triggers available, like the record created, record match, okay, form submitted, inbound email. Okay, so I will go with that one, that is the record created. So as soon as I will add a email or as the new lead, this automation will be the sending out. So you can see this is the note, so it is asking me from the my outreach contact list. Okay, then click on this save, and now trigger is built here. So as soon as a new audience is added or a record is created with the new audience, this automation is going to start with the sending out the first email. This is the first email, this is the wait for this for 1 day, then second email will be the sent here. Okay, so basically that is how. Now let me get back to the templates here and see what are the more things we can do. Let's this time go with the project management and see what are the templates available we have. So there's also the rating available, so it will help you to understand whether this template is really the find it suitable for the users or not. That is what this rating is going to tell you. Okay, so let me select this one, that is the project planning, or let's go with the weekly meeting, HR, visual, or okay, I find this one is really a good one, AI automated task management. So let's select this one. Okay, and now here I can read more about help team efficiently manage weekly tasks. Okay, why use AI automated team management? I can also see the included resources. This is the workflow graph. Okay, so let me open the workflow graph and see task progress owner. So this seems really good here, so let me click here on the install, and now this app for the AI automated task management will be installed in my workspace here. Okay, so let me close this one, get back to the main screen. Okay, so let's go to the home, and now I will be able to see that automation. Let's back. Okay, we have to go to this one, that is the team resources, because we have installed that app here. So let's go to team, and here I can find out that one. You can see this is the AI automated task management I have installed here. So you can see these are all the resources, and with this the lightning icon, this is the actually that automation. So when I click here on this lightning icon text, you can see this is the automation where I need to configure, and this is the your database or data sets. Okay, so here you can add the more data easily. So this is something like the your spreadsheet way, where I can add easily the new record, or I can request new record. This is really simple. Click here on the new record and you will adding your record here easily. Okay, let me close this one. I can also create a new view. Okay, so I can make this view in the gallery Kanban, or these are the two new views also we can see soon as they are in the upcoming phase. Okay, let me close this one and let's back to the automation, so I can configure that one. So we have the Monday, we have the Wednesday, we have the Friday. So these are the 3 days to syncing and the process for the automation. So I will go with starting Monday, that is for the sync schedule. Okay, and now I can see the trigger is going to happen on the this time on the Monday. So I can change the time. So I'm going to make it around something like the 8 in the night. So time zone, click on this save. So simply I am configuring the template here. Okay, then this is the find the team task list for this week, send the team task to the each member. That's the pretty much. Okay, then this is the second day as the Wednesday, that is going to happen the same automation, and this is the third day on the Friday, that is the same automation is going to run with this some few things, generate a summary of the report. Okay, on the last day of this automation on the Friday, I am going to get the summary of the report for all the tasks over the weekend has happened. Okay, so this is how basically you are going to install and choose and configure the automation apps I have showed you right now. So like I said, this is just the introductory overview video, because actually the configuring these automations is based the different things for the each person. That's why I'm not going that much of deep, but I'm showing the power of this tool here. So right now definitely check out the Bika.AI. It has so many great templates available and so many possibilities you can get started on the automation. And right now for the introductory lifetime deal, they are also offering the sufficient credits that you can get started from the tier 1 plan. So if you want to check it out the lifetime deal, the link will be given in the description. And even after buying this deal, you are finding not good enough to try out, there's the 60 days money back guarantee you are getting. So no risk attached here. Just try this tool out, and something not suitable for you, just return it and your 100% money will be back. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about for the Bika.AI. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions around the tool, just let me know in the comments, and whether you like this video or not, also let me in the comments. So bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.